Ready to buy a house? Brilliant. It's one of life's biggest adventures. You'll need a home loan, called a mortgage, to make it happen. Don't worry, it's just a series of manageable steps, not a rocket to the moon. This guide will break it all down, so you're never lost along the way. With a bit of preparation, you'll soon be holding the keys to your new home. Let's get started on this grand adventure. So, what's a mortgage? It's a word you've probably heard 100 times, but if you're like most people, it might still feel a little mysterious. Let's break it down in simple terms. Imagine you found your dream home, a cozy place you can picture yourself living in. But there's just one problem. You don't have enough money to buy it outright. That's where a mortgage comes in. Think of a mortgage as a really big loan from a bank or lender, designed specifically to help you buy a home. Instead of saving up for years and years, you can borrow most of the money you need right now and pay it back over time. The lender gives you the cash to buy the house, and in return, you agree to pay them back in small, manageable amounts every month. These monthly payments aren't just about paying back what you borrowed, they also include interest, which is basically the lender's fee for letting you use their money. And here's the important part. The house itself acts as the guarantee, or collateral. That means if you can't keep up with the payments, the lender can take back the house to recover their money. It's a way to make sure everyone plays fair. But before you get a mortgage, you have to prove to the lender that you're trustworthy and financially responsible. This usually means showing them your income, your job history, and your credit score. They want to know you'll be able to handle the responsibility of making those payments every month without getting in over your head. Once you're approved, it's like getting a green light. You can start looking for homes that fit your budget, knowing you have the financial backing to make an offer. It's an exciting step, and it means you're one step closer to owning a place of your own. The mortgage process is designed to protect both you and the lender. It helps make sure you don't borrow more than you can realistically pay back, and it gives the lender confidence that their money is safe. It's a partnership with both sides working together to make homeownership possible. So, a mortgage isn't some mysterious or scary thing. It's simply a tool, a stepping stone that helps you build your future. It lets you move into your own home sooner, while spreading out the cost over many years. With each payment, you're not just paying off a loan, you're investing in your own stability and comfort. Once you understand how a mortgage works, you'll feel more confident and ready to take the next step toward home ownership. It's all about making your dream of having a place to call your own a reality. One payment at a time. Time to get organized. Before you even start browsing for your dream home, it's important to lay a solid foundation. Think of this as setting the stage for a smooth and successful home buying journey. The more prepared you are now, the fewer surprises you'll face later. So, let's break down the essential steps to get your finances and paperwork in order. First, check your credit score. It's your financial report card. Your credit score plays a huge role in determining the types of loans you'll qualify for and the interest rates you'll be offered. If your score isn't where you want it to be, don't worry. Take some time to pay down debts, make payments on time, and avoid opening new credit lines right before applying for a mortgage. Even a small boost in your score can save you thousands over the life of your loan. Next, start saving for a down payment. The more, the better. While some loans allow for low down payments, having a larger amount saved up can help you secure better loan terms and lower your monthly payments. Don't forget to budget for closing costs, moving expenses, and a little extra for unexpected costs that might pop up along the way. Figure out how much house you can truly afford by looking at your income and expenses. Take a close look at your monthly budget, factor in your current bills, debts, and lifestyle needs. Use online calculators to estimate what your monthly mortgage payment might look like, and make sure you're comfortable with that number. Remember, just because you qualify for a certain amount doesn't mean you should spend it all. Now gather your documents, pay stubs, tax returns, bank statements, and proof of assets. Lenders will want to see a clear picture of your financial health, so having these documents ready will make the process much smoother. If you're self-employed, you may need to provide additional paperwork, like profit and loss statements or business tax returns. Keep everything in a neat folder to speed up the process. Staying organized not only helps you respond quickly to lender requests, but it also reduces stress and keeps you in control. Consider making digital copies of your documents for easy sharing and backup. Shop around for lenders. Compare rates and fees. Don't just go with the first offer you receive. Different lenders may offer different terms, so take the time to get quotes from several banks or credit unions. Ask questions about interest rates, loan types, and any hidden fees. Get pre-approved to show sellers you're serious. A pre-approval letter not only gives you a clear idea of your budget, but it also makes your offer stand out in a competitive market. Sellers are more likely to choose buyers who have already secured financing. Preparation is your golden ticket. By getting your ducks in a row now, you'll be ready to move quickly and confidently when you find the perfect home. Remember, a little effort up front can make all the difference in your home buying experience. Lenders look closely at your credit score, income, and job history. They want to see steady employment and reliable income, usually 2 years' worth. Your debt-to-income ratio matters. Less debt means more borrowing power. They'll check your savings and assets, making sure you have a cushion for emergencies. A solid down payment and some cash reserves make you a stronger candidate. It's all about showing you're prepared and can handle the responsibility. The better your financial picture, the better your loan options. Want to boost your chances? Pay every bill on time, no exceptions. Lower your debts before applying and avoid taking on new loans. Save as much as you can for your down payment and cash reserves. Automate your savings to build them up steadily. Check your credit report for errors and fix any mistakes right away. Small, consistent steps make a big difference. Present your best financial self to lenders. Watch out for common mistakes. When embarking on your home buying journey, it's easy to get overwhelmed and make errors that could cost you time and money. Let's dive into some common blunders and how to avoid them. Don't be disorganized with paperwork. Keep everything handy. A well-organized set of documents can make the process smoother and faster. Make sure you have all your financial records, identification, and any other necessary paperwork in order before you start. Know your credit score before you apply. So, there are no surprises. Your credit score plays a crucial role in determining your loan eligibility and interest rates. Regularly check your credit report and address any discrepancies or issues well in advance. Shop around for the best lender and loan type. Don't just take the first offer. Different lenders offer different terms, and a little research can save you a lot of money in the long run. Compare interest rates, fees, and loan conditions to find the best fit for your needs. Understand your loan options: fixed, adjustable, FHA, VA, and pick what fits you. Each loan type has its own benefits and drawbacks. For instance, fixed-rate loans offer stability, while adjustable-rate loans might start with lower payments. FHA and VA loans have their own unique advantages. Choose wisely based on your financial situation and long-term plans. Never borrow more than you can comfortably afford, no matter what you're approved for. Just because a lender approves you for a certain amount doesn't mean you should borrow that much. Consider your monthly expenses and future financial goals to determine a comfortable loan amount. Stick to your own budget, not just the lender's number. Create a detailed budget that includes all your monthly expenses, savings, and emergency funds. This will help you understand how much you can realistically afford to spend on a mortgage without stretching your finances too thin. Avoiding these blunders keeps your home buying journey smooth. By staying organized, informed, and within your budget, you can navigate the home buying process with confidence and ease. Happy house hunting! You've made it. With preparation and patience, you're ready for homeownership. Take it one step at a time. Each small win brings you closer to your goal. Be proud of your progress no matter how long it takes. Homeownership is achievable for everyday people like you. Stay focused, follow the plan, and keep your eyes on the prize. The keys to your own home are within reach. Good luck and happy house hunting. Your grand adventure awaits.
Dear viewers, I want to take a moment to thank each and every one of you for watching my videos and supporting my channel. Your love and encouragement mean so much to me. However, I have noticed that many of you enjoy the content but haven't subscribed yet. If you truly enjoy my videos and want to see more exciting content in future, I kindly request you to subscribe to my channel. And subscribing is completely free, but it helps me grow, create even better videos, and stay motivated to share some more amazing content with you. So if you haven't already, please hit that subscribe button and join our YouTube family today. Your support means that the world to me, and together we can make this community even bigger and stronger. Thank you so much for watching, supporting, and being a part of this journey. Dear viewers, I want to take a moment to thank each and every one of you for watching my videos and supporting my channel. Your love and encouragement mean so much to me. However, I have noticed that many of you enjoy the content but haven't subscribed yet. If you truly enjoy my videos and want to see more exciting content in future, I kindly request you to subscribe to my channel, and subscribing is completely free, but it helps me grow, create even better videos, and stay motivated to share some more amazing content with you. So if you haven't already, please hit that subscribe button and join our YouTube family today. Your support means that the world to me, and together we can make this community even bigger and stronger. Thank you so much for watching, supporting, and being a part of this journey.